Yeah, through the opposition. Because they can't go no counter thief. So this offers so much.
Where we're empowering the board to expose offences committed and expose foreign ones. Now, the question I would put to you, Minister, for consideration is that the wording of the proposed section as it currently is can prove to be problematic. And here's why. Um, this section by itself is verbose. If you just look at, if you read it as is, with the mutuality assistance or the agreement with legislation, what we currently do is, if there is a foreign conviction, we look to our legislation and we automatically record the conviction currently. Now the problem is, if an individual somehow gets that conviction expunged, then what the legislation ought to do is to confirm the expungement in the relevant jurisdiction, Minister, and thereafter there is automatic expungement in our jurisdiction rather than a consideration, because what we'd be doing is taking the harm but not giving the offender the benefit. So that's a consideration, and a proper wording then I would suggest would be where a person's foreign conviction has been expunged under the laws of that foreign jurisdiction, the said conviction shall once proven to the satisfaction of the court be recognized as automatically expunged under Jamaican law. And I would say in the vein that
Yes, yes, the people. Good night, good night, good night, good night to you, my people. It's another night again, Pandem. Good night, good night. How are you doing, my people? A blessed night to you. I wish you all the best and a happy welcome again. Yeah, one more night, Pandem. Yeah, man. I hope all is well with you, all my people. Yeah, man. Blessed, blessed good night to you. Yeah. And thank all of you, my subscribers and my viewers, all the people them that have been commenting and liking the video, and also watching the video on the YouTube. Anybody watch this video, this latest video? See that thumbnail, eh? Now watch the video them for me. Watch the video for me, please, please. Watch the video, my people. Watch the video. It is there for you to watch, my people. Remember, I'm asking you for the watch hours, so watch the video, my people. That is one of the thumbnails on the channel. Yeah, that are the latest. Yeah. Come on. So there, people, I try to see where we can start off with night. First thing we don't really like. The respectable behaviors and the talk, all the ministers them are talking at the house pertaining towards the country, Jamaica. We don't really like it, you see me? Yeah. And to me, it's like people them are sell out Jamaica already and are collecting the money, you know. And it's like one happy and a boast about the joy we are coming in now, the money we are coming in now, the man of joy, the man living and things about why John knows the sacrifice, look how much people dead, I nobody even know the amount of people dead. Look how much people lose them things. You see me? But it is a joy to the man to talk about the relationship where you get linked up with now with the International Financial Institute, the IFI. See? The IFI is no more important than your people we go through devastation. You have to feel happy and joy and talk about the friendship you have now with the international IFI. No, 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 no. They sell out the people and you sell out the people. You feel happy about your collection where it's about to come or you're about to get. You see? So I don't feel pleased about it. I'm telling the truth. I don't feel pleased. I feel say yes, the country got hit by a storm. We get hit by a storm. But when me that say now, my people, we get hit by a storm, but what? Tell me something now. We get hit by storms, see? Jamaica land love. Yeah, we get hit by storm.
Jamaica land love.
We under pressure. See? A whole heap of things go on. People lose them life, all them belongings. People that work, you have some people at 50 years now, them are work for make them reach them there now. And in space of half an hour. When you say an hour, half an hour, everything where them struggle to get in a 50 years, gone in a 1 hour. Imagine that, my people. Yeah? And now you are going to say the happiness. You're happy to receive. You're happy to receive. No, man. No, 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 no. No, no. The sacrifice of your people and sufferation of your people under now. Talk about that. That is what we are to talk about. The sufferation where they underneath. And now, which is a very, very, it's not nice. So where we are go through now. Upon the pressure where the country under, eh? Look how much thing the country go through. Oh my God have mercy. Eh? Hey, it's a shame. It is a shame. Eh? It is a shame to see where all these people are doing right now. Upon all them now. And I see it. Oh.
We must not be a coward. We certainly encouraging you, Minister, to stand with me on this one and be brave and consider a rehabilitation period and an entire overhaul of social system, social gender, setting period and setting.
You know me now, this something now show good. Sure. Look what the country got through. Look at the devastation the country got through. These are reality things. These are not joke things. A reality. See? All them things where the country got through. All of them are going to see. All of them here. Where the country got through. A reality. You see me? All of them here a reality. No joke about it. You see? No joke. You see me? These are things where people will face. People lose them life. People go through them struggle here. This is what the hurricane caused in a Jamaican people. See? If you see when a leader know what I say, I'm glad for the IFI call multi what? What I call it now? Multilateral call, or what they want to call it. Everybody link up this morning and they make a talk. And they make glad for the progress that Jamaica. You cannot progress when people lose them life and all know you not talk nothing about the people them will lose them life towards them family. 1 month now. 1 month now, you don't say nothing about the people them will lose their life. You don't know you don't say condolence to the people them, to the family them left back and the people them pass and gone. No man. And I tell you all kind of story and all kind of bull and this and that and that. Eh? All you talk you just don't respect the people them. I don't know why. Look upon the cars, look upon how people spend them, go through life. Look upon the all of life, look upon the struggle where people go through in their life. To make what they want in their life. Look upon the struggle. Look how people fight hard to make what they want. To make life, for better life. And look how good for them. And look what happened. Look where Melissa come down. Some people house turn upside and done, some house mash up, some house blow away, some house, oh my God, man. No good, man. No good. Trust me, no good. I not tell no lie, I not go around the corner. I not hide and no? It no look good pan. We Jamaican no look good at all. Something wrong. Something not right at all. You see me? I this live, I don't know, sure. I'm gonna can't sleep on this. Look on all the things that happen. And the people them and them a situation, and them struggle, and them condition. You see? And they come and talk on big words and talk about millions and talk about billions and talk about US and talk about. Now come on, man. Talk about the people them are suffering and talk about phase 1 and phase 2. And all of them phase 1 and phase 2 are we are phase 3. We don't left the people them for. Eh? What can really go so no can leave the people them for last? The people them don't live nowhere. When I left them for last. Eh? The next thing again, as we have the news that say, that people them have to get identification for collect what they call it? Identification for collect what do I call it now? Aid, food aid, clear packages. See? Because the government say man cut it off. See? So if you have some farmer identification to collect food packages, as how it are going now. I believe that's so. So me I look into it now, me I say. We just say identification, but the government come out and say, no, nobody now have no farmer ID to collect no farmer care packages. See? Well, we hear that. That sound good. We really like that. We appreciate that. See? Yeah. We appreciate that. Because we don't really want the people them you know fi in a them problem and them trouble. Fi find themselves. Fi I get what you call it? ID if you don't collect food. See? We see it kind of disturbing, I'm not telling a lie. But the Prime Minister clear it up and say, nothing no go so. You don't instruct nobody to do that. See? So don't get that news there straight. Alright. I look on again, I say, all away a go on, we still now get a full accountability about the funds them and the goods them, the aid them were coming to Jamaica. We still not get no good assessment, but nothing like them there. You see? So as you say earlier, and my earlier live that I do, I say the government probably wait anytime the people them were there now. Because I say them have about two more weeks, 3 more weeks left. Everybody move out. The Prime Minister say the people that move there help probably the next 2 weeks or so, all of them are cut out of the island and go away. So in them time you know, him can get the opportunity to start circulate the aid towards the people them. I don't know if me sound right, you know, my people. God know me, I don't know if me sound right, you know. But I wouldn't mind if I saw it really go. Yeah, I wouldn't mind if I saw it really go, trust me. Yeah. So, you know me there, my people, you know me there, I look on my tablet. I look for the life. My people, I don't know if I see it. Let me show you. I tablet, but there I look for the life. So I can't see it on the stream so good. I want to go on. Like ink. Why it looks so? Why it looks so? Oh, probably. Oh, light. Let me see. Oh. Yeah, my people, they're on my screen here. My tablet, I tablet this. I look for, I don't know if I have it on the live, but I look for, if she even text me now, I go see it alone. I look for the live. So we can find the live and up on the tablet. So watch it on the tablet. But I can't find it, I don't know what happened. I go up on the channel, I don't see it come up. I don't see it come up at all. No, sir. Pan the I'm just saying, pan the tab, I don't know if name there. I don't know if Avi I watch. See the tab, see the laptop, it's a laptop. Whoa. Oh, you go now. What we can do? Yeah. This is a laptop. What we can see good. Yeah. So I try so I can go. I hope me can see. Because it give me a little problem. I don't really know what is it problem. So it give me a problem but I can't see the live come up on something. I press live. You hear the sound when I get out of the laptop? I don't know where the sound they come from. So you see it? Jaja knows star. How really are going today? I can't find a live, yeah. Can't find a live, yeah. I don't know. I don't know what really are going. Yeah, laptop now, come on. Light a blinking light, but now come on. What are going on so now? Light up in the dashboard, but the screen now. That's I see something like with the. Don't know what going on, but I can't get the live on the laptop now, come on. And I can't get the live on the I signed this. Can't get the live on the I don't know how I find the live. I search. Oh, I can't find the live, my people, but I can't find it. It's what I am looking for now. Oh boy, yeah, video. Live. I don't see nothing come up with it. I have live here now, so it should come up here now. Alright, let's come out of this. Oh boy. It's hard, you know. When you don't fully understand, you see the full understanding of them things, as a elder, that is the problem. But what you have now, the determination I have, yeah, but me always find, you know. Oh, you see me? Yeah man, because the determination supposed to always carry me through. You see me? That is the whole thing about it. My determination supposed to carry me through. Seeing recently upload, I don't know if I did something for go. Let me look. Recently upload mean things I just upload a while ago. Alright, I'm sure I say recently live. No. Alright. No to you, no to you, no to you, no to you. No to you, try not to laugh, challenge. So I'm still not say my live come up. I still not see my live come up. No to you. So these are the things I have to try. Alright, then probably I can do something different then. I try something different. No, but the channel there. See the channel there? I'm going to go up on the channel and I'm now pick it up. Ah, Lord have mercy. What go on just now further. Anyway, people, I just don't know. Sorry, I can't really get to really see the comments. I mean, you my people have to tell me, say, at this present moment, trust me. But, you know, I stop try until I see what my result is in. Come on. Something not right, something not right. But, now ease up, my youth. Now ease up, now ease up. God know. Them say solar system set us on fire, lie. That's in America. Solar system set us on fire, wow. So them know the solar system. Them just are determined, that's a term that say the solar system. But them not certain. I want to see if my screamer come up that I want to see. Some people, the pressure upon the government to give some farmer account about the money them where are coming, but I don't know. A big government badness are going on, you know.
Before I take my seat, Madam Speaker. Because maybe I should have more conversation outside of this case. But before I take my seat, I'm strongly advocating.
Go on a view. Well, sorry, I don't know how you can see the things so beautiful. I want people, so these are some of the destruction I will go on, no? Yeah, this is some of the destruction we go on dump on the western part of the island. Very devastated. A lot of people lose their life. I know the country can't account for all everybody will lose their life, trust me. And it's like, how me look upon it is like all the way I go on right now, are people out there right now, are clean up, even clean up a road, are people them out there clean up. People are doing everything to make them life come on, make them life better off back. See? The house them blow down and so forth, are people out there jump and help them one another and build up back them one another house to find somewhere to live. While the government, the one side attack say a war we deal with. While the government, the one side them the parliament are cuss about relief aid. See? While the government them the one side attack about them run things. See? And where them say I go 150 million US to JPS. You see? So these are the things, my people. These are the pressure where the people them have to go through right now. See? See the struggling there? 1 month now, and people life are living scatter. People life scatter. Scatter. When we say scatter, when people say speak, people life scatter. Believe me. People in our life right now. See me? Imagine, look on this, a ghost town this here, look on. This is a ghost town. See? When night time come, people afraid, and I understand, say, through the place now, no electricity, at night time, a beer things that go on at night time. It's like, you have some people, some man where a pray, upon the little girl them, and all the big woman them, the elderly woman them too. See? So if I'm saying that big destructive things are going on, big type of destruction are coming up on the island, and all the government is interested in is the international financial institute where you get friendship with, and say all these years Jamaica have never have them type of international relationship there with them big farmer there. And this is the only government that do it for Jamaica. Pam, 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 pam. Do what for Jamaica when Jamaica suffer? Eh? When Jamaica suffer? Remember, you know, you go at G20 and attack a G20. And when you say a G20, you say Jamaica have make it sacrifice. That is the word we can remember. When you use a G20, you say Jamaica make it sacrifice. So it is now for Jamaica to get it pay, to get it bulk of it money. Because we have made our sacrifice already. One more over here. Hmm? What more? Eh? Look what I do to people. Eh? Oh my God, have mercy. Hmm? Look on the tribulation when my brothers and sisters them in the island go through. And yes still, you know the one side, we not talk about. Eh? What you not talking about? I talk about money and who run things and who rule things. Hmm? Oh boy, I'm sorry I'm going to live about me that I can't because I something can't start. Scream now, come on. Oh my God have mercy. I don't know whether I will yesterday I use the laptop and it's like me rest the phone underneath the laptop like me rise it up so and just rest the phone. So the laptop is flat and just rise up as the edge and rest the phone underneath it so. So the laptop tail and the laptop will rest on the phone so. And then I'm just start see the light start blink, 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 and the scream. I'm gonna say what this? What this? I'm gonna say just start blink, 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 blink. Then I drop the phone from underneath this and I say what this? Come to me see catch up. I say what this? I'm gonna look. See there? See my laptop there now? Laptop now give me no form of functioning. My laptop. My laptop. Hmm? My laptop. Hmm? I don't know how people them now say. But I don't know, that's something I now pick up. This is the next thing again. I don't know. Whoa. I now see the scream. Oh boy, man, I tell you. Life is one big road with a lot of sign. Sign, oh sign. So when you don't know if you do, you just have to just take it to granted. You know, the scream now come up. But the scream now come up. With the light in the dashboard, the keyboard. Come on, a while ago. Let's see what's going on. Scream now come up. Now, come on. Oh boy. Irish. God no. Irish. I don't know how I can get that thing set. How I can really get to my life. So I have to do them. I have to end the life of them. Boy, oh boy, God knows that. So, Jamaican people, and that's what I go on from my side, I know. Yeah, man. Things not right for me at all, right, I know. Things not come up for me. I'm supposed to find the life, but I don't know how to find it. I don't know how to find it, but I can't find the life. I just don't know how to do it. Just don't know how to do it. That's my problem, I don't know how to do it, I know. Alright. Nothing for me at all, I can't fuck up on nothing. And I can't forget the comments, I know people in the live right now comments. And I tell me what to do forget upon the tablet. The laptop now come on. On the tablet, I can't find the life on the tablet. I'm going on YouTube again. can't find a live. I don't see live at all. The live should all show up in another section. Yeah. I don't see it. Maybe people, when I see the problem with Jamaica right now. The man people them a ball out for help, same way. People are cry, people need help, people are ball. You see me? But you don't know. You don't know where them want to say. The government want to say nobody now suffer, everybody will get taken care of. But not that the plan when the people them come out and say I hear one local news them say gun find in a relief container. When I say gun find a relief container, I don't know what truth it is.
How do we use it? And how is it that as a people we have sat, we have lobbied hard for those kind of protections to be in our constitution so that people can speak freely? And now we see that to say that the freedom is being abused.
Brother, remember enough people, this come with a unfounded story. When I make a sense. And of course what woman say what woman never said. And then make a whole story with that now and about.
Them say gun find in a container. Relief. This sound like a setup because if gun find in a container, listen to me people, it alleged say gun find in a container, relief, Hurricane with Melissa, relief, aid, gun find in a container come for as relief. See? If it alleged that gun find in a container, you know say it give the government more power now to do what they want to do. Like for instance, they want to stop the aid, they want to cut off the aid, they want the people them to cut out because the government said today say people them have about 2 to 3 more weeks left. See? So if gun find like in news come now and say gun find in a container, you know say another 2 3 weeks them have left again, you know. Them have to do all the aid have to cut off. You see? Yeah. It'll get more stricter now. So you have to cut down. You see? And that is what the government want. You see me? That's what the government want.
What's up guys? Welcome back to these channels once again. So guys, Jamaica has been no.
I can't find me live at all. That's a problem, you know. Go up on my channel. I just can't find it. I don't know. I don't know. I should have come up because I see him at the same channel, so that me I look on the same channel, so I'm supposed to see it come up. But I don't know how to find it. I don't know how to find it. I don't see it. I don't don't see it at all. Oh, boy. Select a device, link with TV code, play on YouTube, playing on YouTube. I don't see it at all. It looks strange. I can't find my life on there. And nobody can because you see it right now. I can't see no comments. Can't see no comments at all. You know what I do, my people? I start the live, okay? I start the live and start upon the tablet so we can see the comments them. So just see with me, my people. I'm gonna jump off of this and start it back. So watch out feed start back.